Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Louis. So I'm so excited to be bringing this your way. I'll be showing you how I went from this to this. If this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So guys, the curler we'll be using for today's video is from Oma Wig Shop. They actually gifted me this curler, so I decided to do a video with it for everyone. You guys can go look them up. They actually sell authentic hair essentials. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them. Share them with your friends because you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So guys, let's dive into our hair. So before we start curling, I'm going to begin with prepping the hair. So first off, I had my argan oil on the hair, and next is my styling mousse. So the styling foam is from Glit and Shaw. I'm going to leave a link to their Instagram in the description below. Then after that, I used the Tresemme heat control on the hair and then massaged it. So up next, I'm going to section the hair and then get my ultra hold spray and spray it on the first one I'm going to be curling. So then after that, I'm going to get this cute little curler and then curl it as seen in the video. So trust me guys, this curling is actually therapeutic for me, and mind you, this actually took me 3 hours to achieve. So if you're not a patient person, trust me, you're not going to get your curls out very beautiful. So curling basically is patience. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So guys, for curling, there's no specific time. Like I just curl and keep tapping on the hair while it's still on the curler to see if it's dry enough to, take out. So I just do it and check it, and if it's okay, I can now take out the hair and then pin it up. So you guys, I love using the Ultra Hold spray because it's a lightweight spray and it doesn't leave residue on the hair, and it helps to like push in all the flyaways and also retain curls when you use a curler. So that's why I am using the Ultra Hold spray as my first curl retainer for this video. So I'm just going to get my argan oil and then apply a little on this part, like the part below, because the oil didn't really get into the hair at first when I applied it. Then I'm just going to keep spraying and sectioning and also curling until I am able to finish up. So now I'm done curling. I'm going to set it with these three sprays. The first one is the motions mist, so I am going to spray it all over it. Then the second one is a volumizer. The same people that produced the got to be sprayed did this one too. And I'm still going to go in with my ultra hold spray, and then after that I'm going to use the invisible net to hold it down while they do her makeup. So over to her again, I'm going to carefully take out my bobby pins, the one I used initially to like hold it down. Hi guys, I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.